I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki if you are new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on my video today. Today we're bringing you a vlog. I am going to decorate finally, and for fall and Halloween. I know I'm late. It's Halloween is this week, but life has been lifing, and I still wanted to get up the video. I'm going to show you some of the things that I picked up from like Five Below, IKEA, Target and such to decorate for the fall season, as well as Family Dollar for the fall season and Halloween. So if that is something that you're interested in, please keep watching. Listen, we're going in barefaced because I'm home today. It is quiet in the house right now, so I'm going to quickly run through some of the things that I picked up and then just like do some b-roll of me decorating the things that I picked up. Yeah, so let's head to the dining room and I will show you some of the things that I did get. Okay, so now we're sitting in my dining room and I have a bunch of things on the table here, and I'm gonna kind of go through all the things that I picked up. Some things are older, some things are newer. So let's get into it. First, I have these charger plates that I got gift cards from when I got married 2 years ago, and these were on my registry. So we had gift cards and we picked up these from Crate & Barrel. Love that. I love a good touch of wood. Then, so these are older, and then I think I got these last year. They still may have these at Walmart. These are plates. They're black and white with gold trimming here, if you can see. Yeah. So I got the large dinner plates as well as the smaller same plates, and a smaller like the dessert plates from Walmart. And just for reference, I do have 8 seats at my dining table, and I'll pan away. Let me show you the dining table. This dining table I got from IKEA, yeah, around Christmas time. This table, and it was as built. This section that you could go into IKEA that somebody may have purchased, built already, and then and decided to return it, so you can buy it as out of the box, as built already. And I had them deliver it, and it was way cheaper than what it retails. And then let me show you my chairs. So these chairs are velvet black chairs with gold legs. I'll show you. They're really light with gold legs. Sorry if that is really awkward to watch, but I don't know how else to show you. But yeah, so the table and chair is older as well. So let's get into some of the new, before I get into newer stuff, there's a couple other things. I picked this up from Amazon, and it's just a napkin holder, as well as the salt and pepper shaker from Amazon. This is what it looks like. And as well as the coasters, wood coasters from Amazon. And then we have older stuff, a couple other stuff. These are napkin holders, and this is what the napkins look like. Got these from like Amazon, and the holders are from Crate & Barrel, again from my registry when we got married. So this may have been 2 years ago that I got that. Now that that's out of the way, let's get into some of the newer stuff. So my best friend picked this up from Family Dollar, and this was $8. It's just a Lazy Susan that says Hello Fall, and a Lazy Susan does spin. So I'm going to see if it'll fit with the charger plates on my table. I don't know if it will because these are just as big as my charger plates, so we shall see. She also picked up these glasses, these mugs from Family Dollar, and these were $3. An iridescent, sorry, it's blowing it out, an iridescent ghost mugs. She picked up 2 for me, as well as this globe. Let me shake it up. A couple ghosts on a house, a black house, on and the globe is resting on faux books. So, and as you can see when you shake it, it does have black glitter. So, from Family Dollar, this spoon rest, and it says gorgeous fall, and it's orange base and a beige top. Again, just a fall spoon rest, and it was $3. You got this mat that has pumpkins. I plan on putting this in front of on the floor in front of my stove. So, and it's a rubber mat. So, and this was $5 at Family Dollar. See, you don't have to always go to Target or get expensive things to look nice. So let's get into Five Below. Five Below, I picked up this, and it's supposed to be like a stretchy spider web. This was $3 at Five Below. I plan on decorating my window, not behind me, but on the other side. We shall see how that goes. And also from Five Below, I got these candles, and this is what the candle looks like. But when you burn it, it says it will burn with red to mimic blood. So yeah, drips red wax. So I got one set, so 2 candles of the bloody candles. And also, oh, these candles were maybe $3 at Five Below or so, $3 or $5. And then I got this last thing, crime scene tape, again to put along the windows to give it a little festive Halloween vibe. I wasn't trying to spend too much on Halloween because it's just 1, I'm late, and 2, it's just a one-day thing. So I rather lean more toward fall and less toward Halloween, if that makes sense. Okay, let's get into Target. From Target, the dollar section, most of the things that I got from Target is from the dollar section. So I got these gel clings for the window. It looks like blood stains, hence why I got the crime scene tape. And then I got like these hands, like bloody hands. Hopefully you could see that. Let me put it against me. No, put it against my face. You can see, no, here. Bloody hands. And this is just in case you didn't see the last one. So I got 2 hands and 2 like blood dripping, and they were $1. Yes, they were $1 at Target. And also in the dollar section, I believe these were $3 or $5. I just have these glass pumpkins. They're clear pumpkins. I do have some, hold on, I'll show you. I have these candles that I plan to put under the candle. I mean, under the thing, so it could give off a light, especially at night. So hopefully that works out for me. Yeah, and these were like $3 to $5 at Target in the dollar section. Also, I picked up these decorative pumpkins. It comes in a bag of 3, 5, 6, 7. But these are maybe $3 or $5 at Target in their dollar section. I don't know if they still have them, but I have these decorative pumpkins, as well as this bowl to put like candy in for the trick-or-treaters, and I could just bring it out every year. I think this was like $5 at Target. So last but not least, we're going to get into a couple things that I got from IKEA. I picked up these candle holders from IKEA. I have to get the price. I'm not really sure, I can't remember, but it comes in a set of 3 candle sizes. This is it. Here it goes. One tall, medium, and small, so I could put my candles in. I'm only going to set out 2 because I only have 2 candles. So yeah, I have that one. Sorry, my stupid hair, it keeps getting in my eye. And the last thing I picked up from IKEA was a set of small glasses. I love these glasses. Let me see if I can open it. So they look like this. Let me see. And they have like a little, here you could see it from here. Little decor at the bottom to actually decorate my table, and kind of goes with the plates that I picked up. So that is all that I picked up right now from the different stores. Now let's get into trying to decorate. I'm gonna take all this stuff off, wipe off the table and everything, and I'll just let you watch me hopefully do my thing. it, guys. That's all that I have for this video. The windows didn't come out as good as I wanted them to, but that's all I have. I don't have any more energy to do any more than I did. And those sticky things, I don't know what happened there. It was a headache, and I just put, because I have fairly big windows, it's like 4 individual windows together. It was a lot to decorate, and that's it. I'm done. They'll be coming down after Christmas, after Halloween anyway, so it's cool. I do love the table. Hopefully you like my tablescape. I'm so mad about my candle that doesn't fit in the candlestick, but hopefully I can melt it or shave it down somehow to get it to fit inside the candle. But yeah, and this will be my table until after Thanksgiving, until I transition into Christmas decor, because I do have a lot of Christmas decor. But hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, comment, share with your good girlfriends, and subscribe if you haven't. You've made it this far. I'm assuming you like my vibe, so why don't you subscribe and join the tribe? And I will see you in the next one. Love ya.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT.